Imagine a robot with a PhD in data picking your next 5 stocks. I let an AI do exactly that for 30 days. The results? Surprising, messy, and wildly useful. Stick around. I'll show you what worked, what failed, and how you can use AI without getting burned. Not financial advice. Okay, quick context. AI and finance exploded in the last year. Big firms are pouring money into it, and retail tools are finally getting smart. But most channels talk theory. I want it hands-on. Pick a tool, set rules, and run a real 30-day experiment with $1,000. No hype, just results. Here's how the AI worked, short version. It scans financial data, news sentiment, and fundamental ratios, then ranks stocks by a confidence score. I told it, conservative risk, U.S. stocks only, hold up to 30 days. It returned 5 names and a confidence level for each. Important, AI prioritizes patterns and probabilities, not magic. Across 30 days, 2 stocks barely moved, 1 jumped sharply, and 1 lost ground because of an unexpected news event. The real takeaway wasn't the percent gain, it was why the AI was right sometimes and wrong other times. AI finds statistical edges, but it can't predict headlines or one-off shocks. If you want to try AI tools, do these 3 things. 1. Understand the input. Know what data the model uses, news, fundamental, social. 2. Control risk. Limit position size and set stop rules. Treat AI picks as ideas, not gospel. 3. Backtest and time box. Test for a set window like 30 days and track wins and losses honestly. Simple rules keep you from trusting everything the algorithm spits out. Last thing, myth. AI equals instant riches. Reality is a force multiplier for research, not fortune telling. Use it to speed up screening, generate ideas, and check your biases. But don't hand it your entire life savings. Want the full deep dive video with the exact tools, settings, and the month-by-month P&L? Hit subscribe and comment AI task. I'll drop the follow-up with screenshots and my exact process. See you in the next one.